I'm getting the stage ready for Wiggle Wham.
Wiggle what now?
I would deduce it has something to do with wiggling.
Indeed it does. Wiggle Wham is an oolerific contest where everyone shows up their latest dance moves while making a funny face.
Alva, this contest would be perfect for your dad.
It sure would.
Would you like to be judges along with me?
Oh, that sounds like fun.
I, for one, would be honored.
Thanks, you two. The best thing is, even though there's a winner, everyone gets a prize just for taking part and having fun. Here are two contestants now. The first task for us judges is to make sure a contestant has both a wiggle and makes a funny face.
We're here to wiggle.
And our wiggles are going to win.
Well, according to Mayor Garth, it's all about having fun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That was something else.
I don't know what to say.
There simply are no words.
Just tell us we won.
Well, this was just to make sure you had a wiggle and could pull a funny face to enter the Wiggle Wham before the audience arrives. So, you're saying we didn't win?
Mayor Garth is saying Wiggle Wham hasn't even started yet.
This is outrageous. We studied all the birds in the Forest of Browse to learn how to flap like that.
Let's see you flap, Mayor Garth, or do any sort of wiggle or wham. Well, as a judge, it just wouldn't be right to give any clues on how to wiggle.
You haven't heard the last of this.
Oh, Mayor Garth, I would love to see you show off your best wiggles.
Okay, after the contest.
Great!
Ha! That ooly-fooly couldn't possibly be any good at wiggling.
Hey, if Mayor Garth was ever in a Wiggle Wham, then it would be in the Gizmo archive. Let's go. We demand to know where the old Wiggle Whams are.
Yeah!
Aha!
What?
I'm gonna copy the video to my Trollophone and upload it.
Shush! Huh?
Oh, wonderful. That was the most glidey, face-switchy wiggle we've seen all day.
Yay, Pom! Yay, Blobbo!
Next up, we have Ooly Bead.
Get out of my way! Huh? Citizens of Gizmo, we've uncovered a shocking video of your Mayor Garth.
Shocking!
After you see it, you'll wonder if Mayor Garth is fit to be mayor, let alone a Wiggle Wham judge.
Shocking!
Is this some troll trick? Just because Mayor Garth wouldn't name you winners before Wiggle Wham even started.
That's a shocking accusation.
Shocking! Don't worry, everyone. I was okay.
That deserves to be seen again.
Where did the trolls get this?
All Wiggle Whams are in the Gizmo archives. But that bit there was just me walking to the stage before I performed.
So technically not part of Wiggle Wham.
I'm sorry, Mayor Garth. The Wiggle Wham people should have asked for your permission to use that clip of you slipping.
I agree, Alva.
This must feel terrible.
Hey, we want to introduce our new troll wiggle called the Garth. No!
My turn!
Let me go again.
we're gonna get these two off the stage.
Mo, I think we need to pay a little visit to the archives. Let's go.